Welcome to day 4 of our cruise on the Carnival Mardi Gras as we sail into San Juan, Puerto Rico. Just beautiful here. This is part 1 of our visit to San Juan. This will be most of our day's events. However, we decided to do this in 2 parts as it would have been way too long. Our walking tour of San Juan will be next week's video, so stay tuned for that. There were so many sights to see as we sailed into San Juan. It was really fun to watch the views and prepare. We were so excited to be able to explore on our own. We decided not to do a shore excursion. But first, we needed to have some breakfast, so we decided to go back to the Java Blue Cafe. Java Blue is located on deck 6, right near the center stage area, and there's so many things to offer. They even have grab and go options. Most of the food is free here at various times of the day. In the morning, they have a lot of free offerings, and not very many people know that, so this is a great place to come if you're in a hurry to get off the ship before you go into a port, or if you just want something grab and go, along with specialty coffees that are available, of course, for an upcharge.
Do you like the granola?
The granola is really good. I love it. It's full of pecans. It's really crunchy. And the fruit is good. I haven't tried the sandwich yet, but yeah, it's a good quick meal.
Yeah, I'll try the sandwich. That's good. That's really good. It's the, we have the, what was the name of it again?
It's a tofu sandwich. But they have a whole bunch of different sausage and egg. Yeah. The doors, a lot of them on the public toilets have a mind of their own. This one didn't even lock. Ron walked right in on me, right, Ron?
Yeah. So you think she wants the light up to see the light is red?
But the door won't close.
On.
It's weird. Getting off the ship in San Juan. So exciting! Here's a few clips of what you will see next week, only a lot more, of our video on our walking tour of San Juan. Back on the ship, we decided to check out the lunch options up on Lido as we got ready for the Tiki Fest. all the fixings, really good. We also had chicken and pork, I think. So we're enjoying it on the Lido deck.
A fantastic day in Puerto Rico. Let me hear you say, "Oh yeah!" Danny here from the fun spot. We are here to check out our Tiki Fest. And that's basically just carefully, okay? There's a lot of y'all and not a lot of us. So, first one's gonna stay in over there on that side. Now, okay. I think that's good. I think we're all right. Go, Joe! Go, Joe!
As we started getting ready to sail away out of San Juan, we checked out some of the other ships nearby, including the Virgin Cruise Line Scarlet Lady, and of course the Carnival Magic. It's always fun to kind of look at other ships just to kind of see ideas for a cruise we may want to go on next. We noticed there was a little airport right near the port. It was kind of fun to watch the little planes take off and land. And we got to see the Coast Guard as we started to sail out. Goodbye, Puerto Rico. Hope to see you again soon. More ice cream by the pool. Sort of by the pool. We're one level above the Tides pool here. They have really comfy seating up here, as you can see. And it's kind of a hidden away area right at the very back of the pool, right above the Tides pool. Here, I'm going to show you what the pool looks like. And hot tubs. There's Ron. As we're leaving Puerto Rico, off in the distance, San Juan, Puerto Rico, but what a good ice cream cone. I feel like I'm eating all the time. That's a good problem though. We're gonna be having supper in a little while. I think we're going to Chibang. So, but yeah, we thought we'd watch San Juan go off into the distance. Such pretty mountains. I think next time we come here we want to go outside the city a little bit and explore the mountain areas because it looks just gorgeous.
Okay.
The menu at Shebang has different varieties of Chinese and Mexican cuisine, so you can kind of pick and choose from the different options, and you don't need to stick with one thing. You could have some from Asian menu and some from the Mexican menu. So they have different appetizers from each menu, main courses, sides, and desserts. If you're not up for that, they also have some steakhouse selections and something they called s'more, where you can choose the most popular items from the main menu that you would see in a regular restaurant. Because it was so noisy in the restaurant, we decided to opt for doing a voiceover on this. And our first item was the Mandarin Honey Crunch Salad. And I really liked that option. It was good and it had a lot of flavor. The dressing was great, and Ron liked it too. Good flavor. Next, for the other appetizer, we had the pot stickers. And these were shrimp pot stickers. The flavor was just okay. I mean, it was nothing that great or out of the world that, you know, you couldn't taste basically in a fast food Asian restaurant, we thought. So it was just okay. Then I had something called the Hakka noodles. It was a side dish. And even though it was just a side dish, this was pretty filling. They gave you a good amount, and it tasted great. We both tried the mapo tofu next, but we did not like it. The tofu was not crispy at all. It was rather soggy, and the sauce really didn't complement it that well. Ron just had a broccoli side, which was okay, but they didn't give him much broccoli. Then for dessert, we both had the chocolate sea bang. This was great. It had a lot of flavor, a lot of chocolate, not super sweet. It was just right with ice cream. And yeah, I would definitely try that again. We both liked it. We also ran up to the buffet just to see what they were having for dinner. Now, the options on the buffet are usually very similar to what's offered in the main dining room. So if you're just not in the mood to dress up and go to the main dining room, a lot of times you can get most of the main menu items anyway on the buffet as well. Look at that fried chicken, doesn't that look good? Next, we decided that we would try to go to a show. So we went to the center stage and got to watch kind of an acrobatic show. It was really good. And the scenes were just amazing. It's so weird to know that during the day there's a window there that looks out at the ocean, and at night they can transform it into these amazing stages with just such cool graphics behind. And we thought we'd try a drink. So I went to the Alchemy Bar and tried one called the Cucumber Sunrise.
What was that again?
Cucumber Sunrise.
Cheers. I like this drink.
Pirate Punch.
Good.
And this is at the bar in the lobby when you first walk in, kind of by the stage. After having our drinks, we decided to go up to deck 18 and explore a little bit at night. There's the Bold roller coaster entry. Ron wants to go on that later this week, so check it out. And we thought we'd just take a little bit of a walk on the jogging track. And we also saw the sports court. A lot of people were still there playing basketball. Then we went down and checked out the pool area on Lido and thought we might take in just a little bit of the movie. We sure had a great day. Don't forget, next week you'll see the rest of this day as we take our walking tour in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. If you liked this video, would you please like and subscribe? Thank you so much.